This is basically the entry of Symbiosis Boys Hostel Nagpur. Once you approach nearby to gate, you will witness a board saying that welcome to your home away from home. And believe me, it seriously feels like second home once you start staying here. All the COVID protocols are strictly followed as mentioned in the hoarding. Entering via main gate of hostel will see the notice board right in between the reception area. We have names of student councils, that is Abhimanyu Singh from first year MBA, Simran Vadwa for the girls hostel, Abhishek Chandak for second year MBA and so on. Anyone can approach them for any sort of grievances or complaints within the boundary of hostel. This is a waiting area and we have Symbiosis Center of Healthcare for any medical emergency in the college premises. The third notice board talks about updates on roles and timings of the hostels. So yeah, this is a part of lobby you will just see after entering into the boys hostel, and we have almost 14 rooms on each floor with 7-story building. Hostel also provide laundry services on individual's pay. Right now I am on the first floor and the entry exit area of the hostel is visible. This is a common lobby area which every floor has, and I am approaching towards my room, that is 113. The best room on the floor, I must say. So yes, we are here in front of 113. You'll get to know about the unique feature or apparently facility which this room provides in couple of next seconds. It's a 3-sharing room, but due to unavoidable effect of COVID-19, SIU has made it compulsory that only 2 persons will share room, strictly adhering to social distancing norms. We have got bed, tables and chairs, AC and fans, single door wardrobes, dry area, big windows for proper ventilation and sunlight to enter, separate clean and hygienic washrooms and bathing area. Surprisingly, my room especially had a great view of campus and the garden when curtains are opened. And the balcony next to the room acts like a cherry on the cake. We can sit, walk, talk, do work, enjoy with friends with a beautiful view of campus. We have mess just in front of us, and it's a girls' hostel behind the mess, with the MBA campus and auditorium on the right hand side. So here is the water dispenser, and we also have 2 pantries on each floor. A student can use microwave to heat up the food. He or she can also use fridge to keep things cool, and apparently we also have induction cooktop. I don't know where it is right now. so that people can make out their own stuff outside the mesas. So yes, we have pantries on each floor, 2 in numbers. Students living on top floor need not to worry much. 2 lifts are operational 24/7 for your comfort. And yes, I must also acknowledge about the scenic view which comes right from the balcony of 7th floor with soothing wind blast. Chalo to let me take you guys there and try to give out a virtual experience of this place. Entertainment is required and so does the TV room, where 10 to 15 people can easily accommodate and watch their favorite shows. Now we have everything 2 in numbers, whether it be a TV room, pantry or any other stuff. This is because hostel has a shape of alphabetic C, so it seems like 3 wings joined with each other. The right side, the left side and the center way. And for the convenience and easy approach for the students, everything is available to the nearest of their rooms. Now let me take you guys to the campus tour of SYMBIOSIS International University Nagpur, and the building which you are seeing in front of you is the boys hostel.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Growing up ain't easy. Too many things to do weekly. Too many thoughts to think deeply. Too many thoughts to be sleeping. Yeah, oh my god, I'm not eating. I feel so empty, I'm receding. And all of my friends are misleading. All of these posts and the lives they're leading. Yeah, oh, no way, I ain't gon' stand for this today. I'ma keep my head down, I'm okay. I don't wanna listen to a word they say. And we all know fear is a slogan, yeah. And we all feel broken, yeah. And we all outspoken. Need someone who could just go shout. Sometimes I struggle in this place. Been in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place. People look the other way, and we all deal with our pain. Oh yeah. No, I'm not down, no, I'm not out. If I got a voice, they gon' hear me shout. I can make my own choice and we've all got a mouth. I'ma make noise, yeah, that I don't doubt. I don't feel failure, not yet. Mistakes they make, you better don't regret. And like Drake said, man, I'm upset. Too many people out here wasting their breath, yeah, yeah. And still I feel like we've just all been going crazy. Too many people need to find themselves some safety. Just take control of your life, it's all day to day, yeah. Don't need nobody else, myself can always save. Sometimes I struggle in this place. Been in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place. People look the other way, and we all deal with our pain. Oh yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place. Been in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place. People look the other way, and we all deal with our pain. Oh